To properly maintain and adjust the clutch lever on your Indian Sport Chief, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat level surface and allow the vehicle to cool completely. Begin by inspecting the entire length of the clutch cable for any damage to the external casing. Also inspect any exposed cable wire for fraying, kinks, or corrosion. Replace any cables that are damaged, sticky, or sluggish. Then use an adjustable wrench to rotate the clutch shaft arm until the tension has been released from the cable. Rotate the cable barrel out of the clutch shaft arm and release the clutch shaft. Next, move to the left handlebar and remove the bottom hinge nut. Then push the pivot pin upward and remove from the handlebar. Next, remove the clutch lever and rotate the cable barrel out of the lever. Remove any old grease and dirt from the lever, housing, and cable ends. Lubricate the clutch lever and pivot screw with Molle assembly grease or all-purpose grease. Also, apply a thin coating of grease to both clutch cable ends. Do not lubricate between the cable and sheath. Next, reinstall the clutch cable into the lever housing. Then, install the clutch lever into the handlebar and align the pivot pin hole. Reinstall the pivot pin fully and reinstall the nut. Torque the nut to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual grease off the bike. Then rotate the clutch shaft arm and reconnect the clutch cable into the lower cable housing. Now move to the bottom of the clutch cover and loosen the clutch cable adjuster lock nut. Next, while holding the cable, turn the adjuster inward or outward until the clutch lever free play is set to specification. Then, while holding the adjuster, torque the lock nut to specification. Finish by verifying proper operation of the clutch and repeat this procedure as needed. Ensure the engine does not start with the clutch lever released and the transmission in gear. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.